Hey friends, if you wish to add or remove the compatibility tab from file properties in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor tool. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. Now we will create a key named app compat. Right click on Windows, select new key, name it app compat. Now we're in the right page now. You'll have to create a dword 32-bit entry named disable prop page. Right click new dword 32-bit value, disable prop page. Double click on it. Change the value data to 1, hit enter and restart your computer. Restarting your computer is important. Then your compatibility tab will be removed from File Explorer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.